Azimio coalition filing its petition at the Supreme Court yesterday, laying ground for a court battle between President-elect William Ruto, the IEBC, and the Azimio coalition itself, led by Raila Odinga and Karua. In the petition, the duo seeks to have the election nullified and Chebukati barred from participating in a repeat election should they win. Look Up TV now looks at a constitutional challenge that would present if at all the Supreme Court grants the duo what they seek.
That presents itself as the champions of democracy walk to the corridors of justice on Monday to file a petition challenging the presidential election, arguing that they have enough evidence to have the declaration of William Ruto as president-elect declared null and void by the courts. Among the 23 reliefs the Azimio teams are seeking to have is Wafula Chebukati out of office should the country go back to a repeat election. However, if this will be the move by the Supreme Court, then this will present another constitutional challenge, according to Advocate Peter Njagi.
When you raise criminal culpability, it moves now from the question about you conducting that manner in compliance of the law, but what they are calling in the application in furtherance of a criminal enterprise, meaning that it was part and parcel of an illegality and the further kind of an exercise. Remember that the chairperson of the IEBC and the commissioners at large sit in that commission in conformity with Article 88 of the Constitution, which gives the mandate for them to sit in that commission. So the first thing that we should establish that they had the capacity to make that determination.
Nullification of the election is one thing, but having Chebukati out of office before another election is a different thing. That will need to go back to the courts and prove that the referee is incapacitated to hold another election.
These state officers have what we call security of tenure, which is meant to act as a shield, but not as a sword, to protect them from intimidation or from frustration in exercise of their duty. So that upon such kind of an event, then somebody also needs to move to court again to bring another counter suit in the superior court for purposes of showing the culpability that the referee is not fit to conduct such of an exercise. But the bearing of such kind of an action is actually hinged on the outcome from the Supreme Court finding.
Should the courts declare Wafula Chebukati incapacitated, the commission could still proceed with an election if at all it will be well constituted and has enough quorum, which Njagi argues it does not have to be 7 commissioners based on previous cases of by-elections.
A nullification does not necessarily mean that the same institution or the same person manning that institution, because remember IEBC is a body corporate, just like a company, and it is run by commissioners. So it does not necessarily mean that they are not fit to conduct that election because the Supreme Court application has been found to have merits. No. The only challenge or quagmire we would find ourselves to is that the application is found to have merit, and then the court has moved further and actually imputed criminal culpability on the enterprise that they are alleging in the Supreme Court, that these people were actually in furtherance of such kind of an exercise, now which will bring the question about their capability to conduct such a by-election if such a by-election is ordered by the court.
The burden of proof now lies with the Azimio team.
The amicus of somebody who is well seasoned with political computation or forensic analysis would come. And if nobody attained that requirement of 50% plus 1, then it follows, just like day follows the night, is the outcome of that election was not in compliance with the Constitution, and the person so declared cannot be president-elect because of failure to attain the threshold.
The petition, which was filed on Monday, 22nd of August, will be determined on 5th of September 2022, taking a period of 14 days as stipulated in the Constitution. Brian Amuai, Look Up TV, Nairobi.